Boss cover Dutty Berry here at BRT Weekend. Big up in the man. BRT Weekend at the party called Glow. And so I'm going to go around and ask people a question that is based off this recent TikTok video.
I sent him the cash app. Yeah, I just knew I was finna open my cash app and I was finna have at least probably about $100. You get what I'm saying? Because like that's I eat and that's how much I spend on my food. Yeah, I opened my cash app and this man sent me $30. Yeah, yes, $30.
Is 30 USD enough for a woman to go out on a date? Is it enough for lunch? And so let me just hear what the people here have to say. Yeah man, answer this. Whether or not $30 is enough for a man who is trying to impress a woman. You know,
too much.
It's too much. $30
To eat lunch?
Yeah, 30 USD. You think
That's
it's
too much.
Wow.
Lunch is like $10.
Oh, okay.
You get a $10 lunch. You only got 30 minutes to eat.
Yeah.
What you eating for $30?
Love that. So you say any guys that want to take you for lunch, they can just give you $10.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I'm going to run in and get something. Lunch is only like an hour.
Okay, love that.
You got to spend 20 minutes in the drive-thru line.
Okay.
Or waiting on your food.
Okay, love that for you. You know what? Enjoy the party and I'll give you $10 later.
For real.
Deal. Right?
Okay.
All right.
I'm looking for you. What's your name?
My name is Dutty Berry and I'm a big popular YouTuber here.
Dutty
Berry.
Berry?
No, Dutty.
You gotta spell it for me.
D-U-T-T-Y.
Dutty
Berry.
Berry.
Yeah,
Dutty
that's
Berry.
it.
I'm Alicia.
Okay, Alicia.
I'm looking for my $10 now.
Okay, Alicia, take care. All right, so I'm here at BRT Weekend, a party called Glow. What's your name? Ashanti. Okay, all right. So we can be a jarul for tonight.
Everybody always said that.
Wow, I forgot to change the lyrics then.
Yes, $30. And I'm just like, at first I'm like, damn, like, am I ungrateful? Like,
what are your thoughts? You think that was appropriate, or you think if a man try to impress a woman, him to come a little better than that?
Well, alright, for me personally, I feel like say $30, in a them time I know $30 for money, but I feel like say you're supposed to pressure him. If I don't think about him, but if you push yourself out there to impress a girl, you can at least send a $50.
Yeah.
I feel like $50 is like,
yeah.
You know, I'm not do too much, but still, me make no say, you know? Yeah.
Because it depends on where you go, and maybe you don't want to have one party and cocoa bread, maybe you want to go to one little restaurant.
Suppose you want to go for Macca's or somewhere, go eat something, one pasta or something.
Yeah.
You know? The $30 kind of weak, because to make a deer. You know, so you go pay a taxi for all of them, so you get the food.
A true Ashanti Sonny. You would have said our source of $30, or you probably would have tried to go a little bit more than that.
Why? $30 sounds about right. You
think it sounds about right?
$30 sounds about right. You feel like a lunch?
The girl must say them didn't expect at least $100.
No, but listen, she said lunch, you know. She didn't say lunch and dinner, you know. And breakfast next day, you know. She said lunch.
Yeah.
$30 enough for your lunch.
That is right.
Yeah, see if it was lunch and dinner and breakfast this morning, then we have a different
What's the most you want a Sunday, Monday?
Then that's a different scenario, you know.
Alright, so I'm here with Stephanie at BRT Weekend. How are you feeling?
Great. A little bit cold, but...
Okay, luckily you have jacket, me have jacket, but my teeth on our glow stuff them. Alright, so you hear the question I'm going to ask you, right? What are your thoughts on it? You would have work with the $30 or you would kind of expect a little bit better from somebody where you try to get your attention?
In America, $30 for lunch is more than enough.
Oh.
But it all depends.
What's in Jamaica, the person saying like a $5,000?
Well, in Jamaica, it still all depends. Because if you're high class, you're pretty much like me, you're gonna send me $30.
Oh wow!
But at the end of the day...
So you're not like a cheese patty girl, like a one cheese patty, you know, so you just hold that for your lunch?
No, because me can buy cheese patty.
Oh wow, someone could have just send you $1,000 and say hold that.
No, I don't want it.
Oh wow, so what's the amount? Like would that be a respectable amount? If somebody jump in the DMs and they might try to impress you and say, I'm gonna send you a
I'd
little something.
rather them buy the lunch and send it come give me. No give me $1,000.
Oh, yeah. Because when you go in your account and you see the source of $1,000, some about it just look disrespectful.
No, because my account more than $1,000. So if you send it, it's gonna look like you're not going to put no in.
That is right. I want to hear your thoughts. What would you do? You check your account and it's 30 USD from a guy who's been posting up stacks of money.
Me and him gonna have a problem because that's misleading and that's lying.
Oh yeah.
It's not even about materialism, it's about lying.
Yeah, you?
It's not frightening. Anybody can have that. He could have bought that, he could have borrowed it, it could be monopoly. I'm not interested. No, thank you.
Are you?
I don't know. I just don't have any high expectations on anybody, so I'm never disappointed, never surprised.
So if a guy offered to get you lunch and when you checked your account, it was only 15 US dollars, would you be like, oh, this is great?
Yes, I would. I would. I mean, he didn't have to do that.
Wow. Would you be impressed with $15? Like if the guy sent you that?
To send me $15?
$15 for
I
lunch.
wouldn't be impressed, but you're grateful. Thank you.
No, thank
Somebody
you.
who is really trying to come in and get your attention.
No, thank you.
Sending me $50 for lunch.
15.
Here's the thing, because I'm married already,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
is such a beautiful gesture when my husband sends me $15 for lunch. So yeah, I'm coming from a different population answering that question.
All right, so if a guy's trying to impress you now in similar situation,
Sending me
and you told
15,
him,
no.
and you told him, hey, I'm going to get lunch, and he's just like, I'm going to send you amount of money. What is an amount that would be like, okay, well, I think that is a thoughtful amount to send? About 50? Is it 100?
I'd say 100.
100.
Yeah, make it 200.
200 for a guy who's trying to impress you and get your attention. What do you say?
50.
50. You know, for all the men who are on a budget, she's the girl for you. Right?
Holler at your girl.
Thank you very much. Take care.
Dutty Berry.
No, tell the people them, because the people that need to know that people be watching my channel.
I love Dutty Berry. I'm so, you know what?
Dutty Berry?
Dutty Berry.
Dutty Berry,
Dutty Berry.
yeah.
And you look slimmer in person.
Oh my God, thank you.
Bucks.
That's the best thing you could ever say. Bucks, come on, back. Take care. Boy, give me a hug.
I know. Thank you so much.
Thank you. All
No,
right.
I love your content.
I love
You're
you
awesome.
too. Thank you very much. All right. All right, so hey, beautiful, what's your name?
My name is Savannah.
Your name is Savannah. Okay, wow, okay. We forgot, we didn't ask her. I didn't even come again. I come to show. I never expect you to go put on our Miss Jamaica voice. I never expect a while ago. You put on your call center voice, you know. I never expect you to throw me off. All right, Savannah. Oh, God. All right. So I'm here with the beautiful Savannah. How are you?
I am fine.
Okay, so you know the question I'm have here, right? So
Yeah,
I tell you the situation already more for ask. So you see a man like that now and him come send you $30 loan, you know, for you go up on your lunch and stuff. How you would react, how you would feel in the moment when you're looking at the account and you realize there's a man like that send you something like that?
First of all, I would have done deal with him. I would have done deal with him. Like, I would have want to do, no, I don't want nothing to do with that man there. Literally, because imagine you have money can braff off.
Yeah, man, you see him on the car and stacks.
Every night I can go a party. And
Yeah.
then when time you will send me money, I send me $30.
Somebody will try to impress you and I get
$30?
really. What you think could be a respectable amount for like somebody who operate like that online now and I try to get your attention? You could have said, well, if they're 100% know me all the way yet, but you could have looked on it and say, all right, no, at least, you know, this decent.
Alright, I feel like if we did send $50, it would have bad
Yeah,
and not so
yeah,
bad.
yeah,
because
yeah.
at lunch you must send
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
But the fact say you go tell me say you go send me lunch money and send me $30.
When you're looking at the account, like,
$30 and then Apple Pay good look take $12. Don't know.
all right, so what's your name?
Andrea.
Andrea.
Bolton.
And Harry. Alright, so I want to ask you this question, right? So the other day one girl go up on TikTok, she put out one video for say, you know, one man a jump in her DMs and look at her, right? She there foreign and she tell the man, say, boy, you know, I want to go for lunch. And the man said, no problem, baby, me go send you money to her cash app. And the man send her $30 US. So when she see it now, she say, boy, $30 go for lunch, $30 US. How much Jamaican that? How much Jamaican that?
About 4,000.
About $5,000. You think as a woman, if you tell a man, say, boy, you know, for a little lunch, and him say, yeah, man, babe, I'm going to send you money. You're not okay if you look like you see you get close of $4,000?
Of course. Nothing wrong with that.
We say that good.
Of course, nothing wrong with that.
Okay, you work with it, Andrea.
Yes.
And when you say so, you have your woman and the woman say, boy, send me a little lunch money, one girl where you try to impress. You would have send her like a $4,000 item, might send her something little higher.
Send her from where? Where she there? Yard or abroad?
She there abroad or she there yard?
If they are yard, me tell them come over, we'll prepare something decent.
Oh, so you the cook?
I'm a professional chef.
Oh, see there, man? Oh, okay, what is blue?
Blues fusion.
Blues fusion. So the same thing you say, you don't cook instead of spell.
Me a chef too, me cook.
So you see, the people them smart, they're gonna put them onto use and save the money. Big up yourself, Blues Fusion Cuisine. Big up. Alright, you know.
$30 is a wall of money, brother.
Oh.
People understand that people work hard for their money, brother. People work hard. What you talk about?
So if you see a girl on Instagram and you say, boy, you know, so she look nice, and yeah, try to get her attention. And you say, you're gonna treat her to lunch. You would have send her like a $5,000.
That's only 1%. What?
Wait, 2.5?
2.5. A box food. A box food and a good show.
You see, if you pose as a top man,
Yeah.
and I post the money them charge.
Yeah.
You're supposed to send her 50 grand to blow. Why you send 3?
We don't pose. We're hardworking youths, yeah? It must done. Our thing different.
Yeah, because if you have flowers, you have put up picture with money and markets and them something there.
No, that's why me not look girl with money. You see me? You have to use lyrics.
So you would look curvy diva.
But me not gonna look her with money. You use money look girl.
You don't use money.
No, because I any idea when the money done, the girl gone.
Oh.
You see me?
So you use your personality and your art.
So if you can't accept me for that, no make no sense.
Okay.
If they don't like when we're dirty, don't like when we're clean, brother.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna ask you this now, right? Situation. So you talk to a girl, you know, like for about like a month, you and her get to know each other and stuff like that. She step on the road and she say, boy, baby, send me a credit. When you say that now, as a man, in your mind, what the amount? Wait, should not tell you a specific amount, you know. Where you more ask?
No, you can say you can send her $1,000 credit. Credit is simple thing. Credit is
what you say, though?
$1,000 credit.
$100. You see, if you don't tell more amount of credit, then I get no.
Oh, wow. So
$100. You have to tell more amount. Communication necessary. So credit, me not mind a girl asking for credit.
Okay.
Yeah? Because you me say, and ladies, I'm telling you this out there now. You see, the whole of you say you don't have a man and no have no credit on the phone, you don't have no man. You can't have man and not have no credit. You know what I'm saying? You don't have man.
I must send a girl,
You know what I'm saying? You don't have man. And then you don't have no credit for can't leave with the mother and me have no man. You don't have no man.
So you hear ladies, any day you broke and your phone have no credit, him you have to check.
No.
Him you have to check.
Check on the man. Check on the man. Don't check me.
The most credit you was on 5 bills.
Send $1,000.
So you would have said a little credit. You would have said a little credit for the girl can put on her service for the month.
Yeah, man. Yeah, $1,000.
No problem.
Okay.
But even an oxy, they can't get it.
Okay, all right, now, so quick and fast now, I'm soon I rip on a shirt, I want to have the flyers them, right? So just promoting the party and let me know what I'm going about it. Who got that?
Young brother, right here is the Otrius Carnival. Young brother got it there, you know?
Yeah,
Who
yeah,
does that?
Yeah, man, so it's April 1st at Turtle River Park. It's $2,000 pre-sold, $3 at the gate. You don't want to miss this event.
And let me say this, it's the most affordable event over the Easter weekend. $2,000 for enter and $3 at the gate, yeah? Comfort, style, luxury, excitement,
guaranteed fun,
security, guaranteed fun. Yeah? Young brother, you know I'm full of energy. Out here in the middle of the town, we come party with us. We're not killing patron.
And if the girl them want the man them will give them like all of $15,000 for them lunch, them can come right here, say right?
Right.
And the man them for send them like, you know, like all $1,000 credit up. Them can come to the party here. Right. So ladies, marking face. Any day you short at credit. Any day you short at credit, see the youth here. So let me flick this now. If you tell a man, say, boy, you know, I need a little credit for my phone now, and the man said, yeah, so $100.
That's different. No, that take the $100 because I need the credit.
Okay.
A credit, you know, and $100 he might give me. A credit he might give me.
You work with it?
Yeah.
Okay, see that? Stephanie is willing to work with a trying man. Round of applause for Stephanie. And all of the men them, you can be broke pocket and approach her. She will work with the potential, right?
Yeah, that's true.
That doesn't sound convincing. Later,
No,
Stephanie,
it's
you
true.
don't sound convincing.
If a broke pocket man approach me, because you can work with a broke pocket man, you know, as long as you work, you know. Because a man can work and get $10, you know, you have to save it.
Okay, so the man behind you, if you don't work with him.
Behind me?
Yeah, behind you right now, you don't work with him.
Depends if he's ugly. Me not see
Later, Stephanie. So, I'm going to ask you the flip side now. I just want to test this. So, if you know, and a man who try to get to know you and tell him, so boy, you know, just send me a credit. Like some situation you dip on the road now, you say, hey baby, you know, send me a credit. In your mind, how much amount you kind of have to say him should have sent you?
All right then, as a Jamaican.
Yeah, that's like a random thing you just say to a man where probably like you have now, you just say, yo, send me a credit. In your mind, what the amount where you say, all right now?
Alright, you see if I'm a man,
yeah,
I'ma say B, you know, say I left on the road and I not credit. May I expect him to send me like a 5 bill so I can put on
okay,
a
at least a
service.
5 bills. Yeah.
Exactly, but you know if he send $1,000, that's still good, but the $100
what if him transfer and send it like $25?
$25?
Oh, hold on, what happened? Everything good? Oh, okay. If him send it $25, how are you reacting?
$25 Jamaican.
Like suppose him have $1,000 upon him phone and him just transfer $25 to you.
$25? No, Mr. I think I the US, yeah. $25? No, sir. Would have left that man dead.
The disrespect, right?
Me would have been left with him. I want nothing to do with him.
Oh, God. Oh, God. So, gentlemen, you're here. When you're sending, don't go to the bare minimum. Just go above it. You don't have to start at the bare minimum.
I mean, if we have $100 on him phone, you go shop, go buy credit. What the fuck you
Yeah. I think what you're saying is logical. Big up yourself, Savannah. Give me a hug. Thank you. Jeez, I'm feeling. All right, Miss World. I'm going to ask you a question, though. So, say in one situation now, you call a man and you say, boy, send me a credit. If the man send you $100 credit, you don't find it a little like, you know, a little man where I like you. And you say, boy, send me a credit and him send you a source of $100. You wanna be happy feet and you kind of look at him a little sideways.
Me not look at him sideways. Me not look at him sideways. Because I never choose me get broken away with me. If I ask for credit, me I get like $1,000.
Yeah.
I put on my plan.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
$100 now. I want the overflow. Okay, I don't know what that. What the overflow?
Oh God. Boy, thank you very much, Ashadi, for talking to me. Saying here, if she asks for your credit, don't send her the bare minimum. At least $1,000.
You don't put on my plan.
Exactly. All right, take care, Ashadi.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, man. See what's up, man. The end of the Glow Party, a part of the BRT Weekend series. I had fun. I walk around, I ask the people them the question. Some of the girls them say, boy, they work with it, but the majority of them not like no cheap man. We're gonna give them $30 for lunch. Okay? So sound off in the comments and let me know what are your thoughts. Okay? Peace out until next time. Here I'm a Vice gone.